ਹੈਲੋ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ, ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਚੇਨ ਸਰਵੇਇੰਗ ਦਾ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਟੌਪਿਕ obstacles in chain surveying. During chaining, various objects such as ponds, rivers, buildings, hills, woods, etc. come on the way of survey lines. Such an obstruction is called an obstacle. ਜਦੋਂ ਚੇਨ ਨਾਲ ਸਰਵੇ ਕਰਨ ਟਾਈਮ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਆਬਜੈਕਟਸ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਪੌਂਡਸ, ਰਿਵਰਸ, ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗਸ, ਹਿਲਸ, ਵੁੱਡਸ ਐਟਸੈਟਰਾ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮਸ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਸਰਵੇ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਉਸ ਅਬਸਟਰਕਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਬਸਟੀਕਲਸ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਬਟ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ a session that chaining should be continuous in a straight line. The obstacle may be of the following three types: when chaining is free but vision is obstructed, when chaining is obstructed but vision is free, and when chaining and vision are both obstructed. Chaining is free but vision is obstructed. There are two cases. Both ends may be visible from intermediate points on the line. Both ends may not be visible from an intermediate points. In case 1, the difficulty may be overcome by reciprocal ranging. Case 2 occurs when it is required to chain forest high crops of trees, preventing the fixing of intermediate points. Random line method is adopted here. Let A be the chain line whose length is required from A to V dash. A line is run in any convenient direction. V is visible from B dash. Such a line is called random. ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਏ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਰਵੇ ਲਾਈਨ ਆ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਵੀ ਡੈਸ਼ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਏ ਬੀ ਡੈਸ਼ ਰੈਂਡਮ ਲਾਈਨ ਲਾ ਲਓ। ਬੀ ਬੀ ਡੈਸ਼ ਇਜ਼ ਪਰਪੈਂਡੀਕੂਲਰ ਟੂ ਏ ਬੀ ਡੈਸ਼। ਏ ਬੀ ਬੀ ਡੈਸ਼ ਪਰਪੈਂਡੀਕੂਲਰ ਆ A B dash. Then AV under root AV dash the square plus BB dash the square. Similarly, C dash AC dash by AB dash into BB dash, and D dash equal to AD dash by AB dash into BB dash, etc. Thus the line is cleared and chained. Number 2, when chaining is obstructed but vision is free. In this case, the ends of the survey line are visible but chaining cannot be done across. ਇਸ ਕੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਐਂਡ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਸਰਵੇ ਲਾਈਨ ਦੇ ਵਿਜ਼ੀਬਲ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਬਟ ਚੇਨਿੰਗ ਕੈਨੋਟ ਡਨ। ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਰਿਵਰ, ਪੌਂਡ ਐਟਸੈਟਰਾ। Number 1, when it is possible to chain around the obstacles, example a pond has etc. Number 2, when it is not possible to chain around the obstacles, example river. There may be several methods available, however a few are described below. Now case number 1 A, when the obstacles can be chained around, let CD be the obstructed length, erect perpendicular at C and D so that CE equal to DF. Measure the length EF which is equal to CD. Erect perpendicular CE at C as shown in the figure. ED line clear the obstacle. CD under root ED the square minus CE the square by optical square or crossed offset 90-degree angles at E shown in the figure. CD is equal to CE CE square plus ED square under. Case 2. Sometimes it is not possible to go around the obstruction. Imagine a small river comes across the chain line. Suppose AB is the chain line. 2 points C and D selected on this line, opposite banks of the river A. At C, a perpendicular C is erected and bisected at F. A perpendicular is set out at E and a point Z, so selected on it that D. F and Z are in the same straight line. From triangles DCF and GEF. GE equal to CD. The distance G is measured, thus the distance CD is obtained indirectly. Consider the case when a large river interrupts the chain line. Let A be the chain line, point C, D, E selected on this line, and D and E are on the opposite banks on the river. The perpendiculars DF and CG are erected on the chain line in such a way that EF and Z are in the same straight line. The line FH is parallel to CD. From triangles DEF and HFG, DEF, 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 HFE. ED equal to Y, DF is equal to FH by HG, where FH equal to CD. ED FH by HG into DF, CD by HG into DF. CH equal to DF, HG, CG minus HF, HG, CG minus DF. The distance CD, DF, HG are measured, thus the required distance can be calculated. Number 3. Chaining and vision are both obstructed. Such a problem arises when a building comes across the chain line. Suppose AB is the chain line, AB is the chain line. 2 points CD is selected on it, one side of the building. CD equal perpendicular C1 D1 are erected. Then the line C1 D1 extended unit buildings until the building is crossed. On the extended line, 2 points E1 and F1 are selected. Then perpendicular E1 E and F1 F are so erected that E1 F1 F1 F D1 D C1 C. Thus the points CD, E and F will lie on the same straight line AB. The distance D1 E1 is measured is equal to the required distance D